You know the feeling. You've just finished a tough job, your hands are dirty, and all you want is a hot shower. That's the feeling power washing gives your house. It's instant gratification, like wiping away grime and revealing the beauty underneath. A blast of water, and suddenly your home is sparkling, the colors vibrant. It's more than just cleaning. It's a transformation. Power washing isn't just about appearances, though it does make a huge difference there. It's about taking care of your investment. Years of dirt, mold, and mildew take their toll. They eat away at surfaces, making them look old and tired. Power washing blasts away those years, revealing the solid structure beneath. Be sure to like and subscribe. We've established that power washing makes your house look great, but the benefits go deeper than just curb appeal. It's about protecting your investment and maintaining its value. A well-maintained home is a valuable home, and power washing is a key part of that upkeep. First and foremost, power washing removes harmful substances. Mold, mildew, algae. These things don't just look bad, they can damage your home's exterior. They can penetrate surfaces, leading to rot, decay, and costly repairs down the line. Regular power washing eliminates these threats, keeping your home healthy and strong. Then there's the curb appeal factor. A clean house is a more attractive house. Whether you're planning to sell or just want to love where you live, power washing boosts your home's value. Ready to unleash the power of clean? Power washing might seem intimidating, but it's simpler than you think. With a little know-how and the right tools, you can transform your home in an afternoon. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Gather your gear. You'll need a pressure washer, gas or electric depending on your needs, a garden hose, cleaning solution, and appropriate safety gear. Safety glasses, gloves, and closed-toe shoes are a must. Remember, safety first. Step 2. Prep the area. Clear any obstacles like plants, furniture, or decorations. Cover anything you can't move with a tarp. Wet down the surrounding area with a regular hose to prevent cleaning solution from damaging plants. Step 3. Mix your cleaning solution. Always follow the instructions on your chosen cleaner. Section 4. Targeting trouble zones, decks, fences, and more. While the entire house benefits from a good power washing, certain areas require special attention. Decks, fences, and patios endure heavy foot traffic and exposure to the elements, making them prone to dirt, grime, and mildew buildup. These areas often require a more focused approach. For wooden decks, choose a cleaning solution specifically designed for wood. Avoid using too much pressure, as it can damage the wood fibers. Work in the direction of the wood grain for best results. Once clean and dry, consider applying a sealant to protect your deck from the elements. Fences, especially those made of wood, benefit from a gentle touch. Start with a low pressure setting and gradually increase if needed. Section 5. Beyond the house, unveiling power washing's hidden talents. Think power washing is just for houses? Think again. This versatile tool can tackle a surprising array of cleaning tasks around your property. From outdoor furniture to vehicles, unleash the power of clean on unexpected items and watch them gleam like new. Outdoor furniture takes a beating from the elements, accumulating dirt, grime, and even bird droppings. A quick power wash can restore your patio furniture to its former glory, making it ready for your next outdoor gathering. Use a gentle touch on delicate materials like wicker or plastic. Grills, especially after a long season of barbecuing, can accumulate stubborn grease and food residue. Power washing blasts away the mess, making cleanup a breeze. Just be sure to cover any electrical components to prevent water damage. Your grill will thank you, and so will your taste buds. Cars, trucks, and even boats benefit from the power of clean. Links to some great power washers in the description.